Hello everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another video. I'm also excited to announce the winner of the Giraffe Junk Journal from 2 videos ago. Thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. I did not have too many participants, but I appreciate those that did participate. I wish I could have a prize for each of you, but I will have another giveaway soon. The winner is... Congratulations! Please email me so I can get your address. You can find my email at my About page on YouTube. I hope when you receive it that you love it as much as I loved making it. Today's video will be a flip through of a journal I did years ago. It is a large book measuring 7 by 10 inches. It is thread bound with a hidden spine. The covers are made of an upcycled book and covered in scrapbook paper. The spine is faux leather. The inside is also lined in scrapbook paper. It has 4 signatures where I made a tab on the first page of each one. Most of the papers used in the journal are scrapbook paper. Some are light pattern paper and others are thicker cardstock. Most of the journal cards are from a paper pad which I really don't remember what company from. There are lots of tuck spaces, envelopes, and flaps to include pictures or mementos. Some of the tags are past tags I have made videos for that I have just tucked into this journal. I really enjoy working with paper, so there are many kinds of paper included in this journal. As you can tell, there is no set color, just whatever works as I'm making the signatures. This is how I like to create most of my journals. I hate being tied down to specifics, so my journals always look random, which I'm okay with. There is a lot of sewing in my journals. I used to quilt back when my boys were smaller, so I really enjoy sewing. Not so much on fabric anymore, but definitely in my paper crafting. I will continue playing the music for you to watch the rest of my flip through. I hope you enjoy it and get some ideas for yourself. As I said in my last video, please consider subscribing and leave a comment so I know someone was watching. The number of views encourage me to share my work, but when my subscriber count increases, that really makes me feel supported. And when you leave a comment, you cannot imagine how I feel. It really makes me feel as if I'm talking to someone that gets me and my love for paper crafting. Bye for now.